All right, example 3, x minus 3 over x squared minus 2x minus 15 over x, or plus x plus 2 over x minus 5. Again, I see addition of fractions. I see a quadratic trinomial in the denominator. I'm looking to factor every single time. If I can, I should. If I can't, then I've got to deal with it. All right? If this doesn't factor, or it doesn't match or something like that, then this thing times that thing is going to be the common denominator. There's no way around it. But again, if it is factorable and you have some matching factors, it's worth doing. So x minus 3 on top, x minus 5 times x plus 3 on the bottom. Negative 5 times 3 makes negative 15. Negative 5 plus 3 makes negative 2, so that's the correct factored form for that. Notice x minus 5 already matches x minus 5, so I don't have to do any sign changing on this one. It's already ready to go. So plus, now I do have x plus 2 on top, and I've got x minus 5 on the bottom, and this is x minus 3 on top. It's helpful to, if you have multiple objects on top and or bottom, to go ahead and encase those in parentheses, treat them as one object, so they are what they are to begin with. And what I can see here is x minus 5 already matches. This has an x plus 3 that this doesn't. So this needs an x plus 3 on the bottom, so we have to put an x plus 3 on top. Now looking at the top, as far as simplification is concerned, there is a binomial being multiplied by a binomial here. That requires me to do a little FOIL, right? So if I'm multiplying these, have I shown you guys the shortcut for FOIL? Have I shown you that at all? Yeah. Have I? Okay. So it'd be x squared plus 5x plus 6. Yeah. You can just do those in our head at this point, or is anybody shaking their head like, yeah, I know, but if you don't want to know, I mean, I'll be happy to show you where it comes from. Think about how we factor. These two numbers multiply to make that, these two numbers add to make that, right? So that's what we're finding. So we already have it factored. It's x squared something x something, right? These two numbers multiply to make the constant, they add to make the number in front of x. That's all there is to it. So any x minus 2 times x plus 7, right? X squared something x and something, right? Negative 2 plus 7 is positive 5. Negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. Right? So I mean that's all FOIL really does anyway. But you know, you can shortcut that a little bit and make your life a little easier. That was just some random number, thing I threw up there. That has nothing to do with this problem. So x plus 2 times x plus 3 is x squared plus 5x plus 6. X minus 3 is just x minus 3, right? Nothing being multiplied by that because the common denominator is already there. So altogether, my common denominator on the bottom, x minus 5 times x plus 3, is what it is. And on top, I just simply have to combine like terms. X squared, notice this is plus, so all these signs are what they are. X squared, x plus 5x makes plus 6x. 6 minus 3 makes plus 3. Now one last thing on this one in particular. The top ended up being quadratic, right? If it was factorable and one of those factors reduced with something on the bottom, that'd be a better answer. But if I try to factor this, 1 times 3 makes 3. That's not 4, right? So we can't really factor the top, so that's the best I can do. So that's the final answer on that.